Looks like there will be no Islamic NATO after all. Over the last few months, speculations were rife in a certain section of Pakistani and Turkish media that Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey were moving towards the creation of an Islamic NATO. This was in the backdrop of the Strategic Mutual Defense Agreement Pakistan signed with Saudi Arabia in September 17, 2025, which formalized deep rooted military cooperation. The pact includes intelligence sharing, joint military mechanism, and a collective defense clause where aggression against one country is treated as an act against both. Soon, there were speculations that Turkey was in advanced talks with both countries to join the Mutual Defense Pact, a move that could shape security equations across South Asia. Turkey's foreign minister also confirmed that discussions were taking place regarding Ankara's involvement. Turkey reportedly expressed interest in the alliance as this could enable its interest in the South Asia, the Middle East, and even Africa, which were increasingly aligning with those of Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. At a time when US President Donald Trump's approach to NATO was being questioned, Turkey saw the trilateral alliance as a way to meet its security needs and to strengthen its deterrent mechanism. The development was keenly watched by regional analysts, considering Turkey's public anti-India stance during the recent Operation Sindoor. Not just in words, Turkey also supported Pakistan, supplying it with hundreds of drones, including Bayraktar TB2s and loitering munitions, along with trained personnel. These assets were deployed against Indian positions during the conflict. The two Islamic nations also extended their cooperation across several areas, including defense. Then, there were also fears that this could leave India strategically isolated in the region. Pakistani leadership added fuel to the discourse. Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar suggested that if more Muslim countries joined such arrangements, it would effectively become a new NATO. This despite several regional analysts stating that the talk of an Islamic NATO is largely symbolic due to the deep internal rivalries between Muslim nations and other geopolitical equations. However, the speculations have lost steam thanks to a report quoting a senior Saudi official who confirmed that Turkey will not be joining the new defense pact between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. Turkey won't join the defense pact with Pakistan, the source told AFP. It's a bilateral pact with Pakistan and will remain a bilateral pact. The Gulf official also told the outlet that though Saudi Arabia had common agreements with Turkey, the one with Pakistan will stay bilateral. The Saudi official statement only reasserts the popular view that Saudi Arabia wouldn't adopt a military alignment that was against India. Riyadh views India as a long-term economic partner, and Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman wants strong partnerships with major economies as he attempts to diversify away from oil dependence. Not only does Saudi Arabia want to maintain a stable relationship with India, it also does not want to make any disruptive military alignment against the US-Israel strategic axis, considering that Turkey has severely strained relations with Israel. For more updates on Middle East, visit the special microsite at theweek.in.